Hey there folks, this is Rene Ramirez with the Castro Realty team here at 10841 Calle Bella in Riverside, California. What we have here is a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath home that sits on 37, almost 3,800 square feet. This home is gorgeous in a beautiful community out here in Riverwalk Vista. Let me go ahead and take you through this beautiful home. Okay, so as soon as you walk in the front door, it leads into a den area that could be used as an office. Gorgeous entryway with wraparound staircase. We go forward into the formal dining room. That brings us over into the living room area with a gorgeous fireplace, ceiling fans, nice open concept kitchen with fantastic island. Look at that. It is gorgeous. The backyard in this home is set up for entertaining. Nice sitting area there. And of course you have your barbecue island, gazebo, and fire pit. The lot size on this home is 8,200 square feet. So there's still enough room to do other things. Custom pantry. And then into the hallway, we come into the first bathroom. Access to the garage area. And the first bedroom, which is currently being used as a gym, but it is a full bedroom. Again, ceiling fan in the bedroom, so that's always nice to keep airflow. And then as we head back up this beautiful staircase, this leads us right into the den, or Look at this entertaining space. This is wonderful. Going this way, we see some of the other bedrooms. Very nice size bedrooms. Second bathroom. Laundry room located upstairs, always great to have. And then the fifth bedroom right here. And this fifth bedroom also has a walk-in closet. Now, the master bedroom back over this way. There you have it, folks. Very luxurious. Very spacious. It's a private balcony. and an amazing tub. The views from here are fantastic too. Separate water closet, and of course, walk-in closet that connects all the way across to this closet. So it's a his and hers. If you're interested in this home, would like more information, or would like to schedule a private showing, give me a call. Phone number is 951-455-7997. Again, this is Rene with the Castro Realty team here at 10841 Calle Bella in Riverside, California. Asking price $618,000. Give us a call.